Oh, I'm Lottie. Sorry it's a bit dark. It's nighttime over here. And, well, this is Misty the Marionette Cat. Yeah, I'm gonna be changing my name. And this is a video for someone called PuPPet, aka Jesse Crawford. I don't know how to pronounce the name, okay? Anyway, so, this is a video for him. I think it's a him. Anyway, put in the comment box down below, if I should quit YouTube. Put a dislike if you don't want me to quit YouTube, and put a like if you want me to quit YouTube. I'm gonna be doing an update with the most likes on this video. I'll quit YouTube, and with the most hates on this video, I will not quit YouTube. So yeah, see you guys, and see you in the next video. If I'm even gonna be doing a next video. Bye.